Hi guys, today I'll do a battery test of the Mavic Mini. I've seen a lot of them online. Some people say the battery is bad, some people say the battery is good. They advertise 30 minutes per battery, which I never got that much. But I am quite happy with it actually. Spoilers alert. I was having temperatures of -2 degrees and I was getting quite good timing, I think. Not the 30 minutes, but still, I think very good. You'll see soon how much it is. But I was flying just normally, not trying to save battery, just going around, doing all I could with the drone. This day was -2, but it was feeling really cold. I don't know why it was so cold, or why it was feeling so cold. I didn't feel any wind on the ground level, but I was getting a lot of this wind warnings when I was flying a bit higher. Anyway, the first test was 22 minutes 18 seconds. It's less than the 30 minutes, but my hands were so cold that was way enough for me. I don't think I would be able to fly much more. The second flight was in a not so good day to fly. It was a bit windy and it was some snow falling, not in the beginning, but at some point you'll see. And I was having some troubles with the sensor. I think it meant the downward sensor. Somehow the drone would start to raise on its own without me doing that, and because this is a place with a lot of branches above, it was quite scary. I had to stop a lot of time. I would think that it was the snow that was messing with the sensor. Everything is white, and I think that the drone will have some problems dealing with it. As you can see here, it will start to snow, and the drone managed very well. I had to get myself under something because it was really snowing and everything was getting wet. But the drone did very well, and actually this was the best result, 24 minutes 44 seconds. And I think it had to do with the fact that I didn't go very high in this flight. I was pretty low, and from my experience, as high as you go, the more battery it uses. On the third day, it was a bit windier. You can see that the clouds are moving really fast. Of course, this is 20 times the normal speed, but still way more than any of the other days. And maybe in this day I was going a bit slower than normally. Somehow I wanted to try to make this time-lapse kind of videos and see how it goes. I'll maybe make a video about it at some point. And well, they still got the same result. It was not better or worse. It was again -2 degrees. Every day was the same temperature, even though some days felt colder than others. But that was the temperature I was getting from the forecast. Some problems with the wind, some problems with disconnecting, but I was in a bad place and I didn't want to go very high because of the wind warning. And we still got some, I don't remember very well, so see, I think it was 23 minutes. Yeah, exactly, 23 minutes 2 seconds, which is just on the level of all the others. So here are all the tests and all the results, always using about 90% of the battery, and the average was 23 minutes 22 seconds. For me, that is way more than enough. Having 3 batteries, that will give me almost an hour of footage, so I'm quite happy with it. But let me know what you think. Thank you for watching.